Hey, what's going on, you guys? I'm here to do a severe weather forecast update for tomorrow for central Indiana. Heavy rain is in the forecast for tomorrow and tomorrow night. This is for those of you that live in the Greencastle area. Today, sunny with a high of 68 degrees, and tonight a 10% chance of showers and thunderstorms, low of 51 degrees, and Thursday will be the day for severe weather. 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Heavy rain is likely. Thursday night, heavy rain, 80% chance of thunderstorms. Thursday evening to Thursday night is probably the best chances for seeing severe weather. And as of Friday, 70% chance of showers likely, and then showers start to move out. Friday night, 30% chance of showers with a low of 31. And I also don't want to forget a high on Friday would be 55 degrees, and Thursday a high of 68 degrees. Saturday, sunny skies with a high of 51 degrees, and Saturday night, mostly clear with a low of 37 degrees. And Sunday, warm temperatures start to move back with a high of 61 degrees with mostly sunny skies. Let's check what the radar looks. As you see here, we got a cluster of thunderstorms, it looks like. Maybe some thunder showers. We got some heavy rain, light to heavy rain and moderate rain north of Dallas-Fort Worth metro areas, north of Interstate 30, which is, I'm not too concerned about that, but I'll probably get back to that in a minute. Let's check out the forecast map. As you see in this map here, there is a slight risk for severe thunderstorms to develop from North Oklahoma all the way through to southern Minnesota. Around this area, we could see some tornadic supercells trying to develop, and there's also a possibility of flash flooding, as some of these storms could be training over the same area over and over again, dumping heavy amounts of rain. And you got freezing precipitation possible north of the Great Lakes and into parts of New York, and snow into the northwest. States like Washington, Oregon, small western parts of northern California and Nevada, much of Idaho, and pretty good chunk of West Montana. Let's check out the video forecast. ACC on Wednesday. Call. I don't know what happened right there. Sorry about that, guys. But anyway, scroll down. Wednesday, which is today, a high of 67 degrees, and Thursday with thunderstorms with a high of 75. Wednesday, 55, 54 on Saturday, 62 on Sunday, 62 on Monday, 68 on Tuesday, and 64 on Wednesday. So let's go ahead and check out what the weatherman has to say.
See a little bit cooler temperatures for the morning commute than what we saw yesterday, but it should be clear skies. Starting off in the upper 30s here, so sunglasses in order and certainly a jacket in order. About 10 degrees cooler in some spots than what we were seeing for the morning on Tuesday. Futurecast here, we'll see quite a bit of sunshine for the day today. So started at 9 o'clock. Pause at lunchtime, you'll see quite a bit of sunshine around. And even throughout the afternoon and evening hours, those clear skies and sunny conditions will continue. So your forecast for the day ahead, 39 at 8 o'clock, 59 at lunchtime. 67 expected for a high temperature here this afternoon. Other numbers ranging from 64 to 67 from Indianapolis eastward. Upper 60s, I wouldn't be surprised to even see a few 70-degree readings, especially areas south of Indianapolis, Bedford, and folks have a pretty good chance of hitting 70 degrees for a high temperature. And a fairly comfortable evening, mid-60s at 6 o'clock, 59 degrees at 8 o'clock, and staying in the mid-50s all the way through midnight tonight. Overnight lows tonight will be dropping in the mid to upper 40s to around 50 degrees, so it'll be a very mild overnight low temperature. I want to jump ahead to Thursday because we'll see changes in the weather pattern. You see some scattered showers already moving in by the time we get to the morning commute on Thursday. Then we'll see a little bit of a lull, at least more scattered activity. Then as we get late in the afternoon and the evening, get some daytime heating in place. We'll see some thunderstorms start to fire up. Some heavy rains could be in place. Could see some gusty winds and even the possibility of some hail moving through.
Slight risk for severe weather for central Indiana.
To a slight risk of severe thunderstorms for the day on Thursday. It's up from the marginal risk, so an indication of a little bit higher chances of seeing some damaging wind and large hail for Thursday. We'll also see warmer temperatures for your Thursday. Upper 60s, lower 70s for highs for your Thursday, depending on location. So a very warm day in place, in spite of the fact we'll have thunderstorm chances around. So your 8-day forecast, again, we'll see those thunderstorms moving in on Thursday. 71 for a high. That cool down after the thunderstorms on Friday, but we'll still see some lingering rain showers around. And looking into the weekend, still looking fantastic. 54 for a high on Saturday, so heading to the final 4 games Saturday evening. Looks like temperature should be very nice. Easter Sunday looks like it'll be very nice. 62 degrees expected for a high temperature. Showers return back into the forecast on Monday with a high of 62. Rain and thunderstorms possible on Tuesday with a high of 68. And then as we go into Wednesday, rain showers linger. Temperatures will stay mild over in the mid-60s.
Well, then you have it. The biggest threats I see for tomorrow for severe weather is most likely damaging winds, large hail, heavy rain, and maybe an isolated tornado. Can't really rule that out. It's always a possibility, but it's a very small chance of seeing a tornado tomorrow. And I also want to show you guys something something a little interesting. I'm going to be talking a little bit about the 2011 super outbreak before I head out. You see all these storms right here? Well, pretty much almost every single one of them is rotating in. If you notice this storm, you see how you got that classic hook appendage to it? Well, the hook, it usually develops a tornado, likes it to develop in that area in where the hook is. This storm is also rotating. Here's another classic hook appendage to it, and look at this one. This was a big hook. I don't know if this was a storm that impacted Tuscaloosa in North Birmingham. So, and you got these cluster of supercells. And before I head out, I'll make sure that I'll have more updates as soon as possible. Probably maybe around the 5 o'clock hour, or basically any time. But if I get any new updates about the potential severe thunderstorms tomorrow, I'll keep you guys updated and let you know what's going on. And if you're gonna be heading out tomorrow, make sure you be careful and drive safely, as we could see blinding rains tomorrow. And if you're outside grilling or doing whatever, doing outside activities, if you hear thunder, go indoors. And if we get any warnings, if the weather gets bad out there, make sure you get to the most secure room in a sturdy building, like the most center part of a home or basement. If the winds get strong enough, or maybe even if we get a tornado or two tomorrow, I don't know why I'm gonna say this, but for some reason I think I'll probably see maybe a tornado warning. Well, I don't know about this for my area, but I'll sure to keep you guys posted, and I'll have another update as soon as possible, probably later today. I'll keep you guys posted.